Hi friends, I am Ashok Kumar Sharma, the chairman of People Welfare Foundation and the director of Case Study Center. Today I am going to speak on the matter of physical awareness. Actually, why is the physical awareness so important? Because first of all, actually our education system should be so like just like every people must have aware about their scientific organization of the bodies, and they must have the knowledge about the functions of the bodies, so that they can look after their bodies and they can be physically fit. Because nowadays if people do not have the awareness about their physical bodies, then they may be attacked by number of the viruses and bacteria, they and badly injure them and badly infect them on account of infection. These types of the external threats, sometimes people come into very bad condition. And also different types of the disease inside of the body of human being, and different types of the challenges, internal challenges and outer challenges inside of the body. So what happens sometimes, due to lack of awareness, number of the people or maximum number of the people of India, they just spend their precious money. Actually, to the point which I want to express, say that on account of lackness of awareness, and also another point, that if people are unaware about keeping their body fit, how they can keep their body fit and healthy. No doubt, first of all, that balanced diet and controlled and balanced standard of living and daily routine, it is very important first of all. And second, also good diet and requirements of the bodies like proteins, minerals, and different types of the vitamins, and so on, number of the elements which are responsible for body's cells being healthy and for functioning better, like the organs of the body's different types of the organs of the bodies like livers, pancreas, and urinary bladders, and small intestine, large intestine, and different type of the organs of the body, even a neural system, brain, muscles, tissue, cells, and for functioning better, functioning just like circulation of the blood, circulation of the oxygens, blood cells, and these types of the different types of the phenomena take place inside of the body, just like filtration of the urine system inside of the body, and these types of different type of the functioning is responsible for keeping the body and human safe. If on account of lack of awareness, this type people fall into ill and fall into disease, and they are badly affected. This type of harm effects, and sometimes their body and organs start malfunctioning. On account of that, they go to the ICU and they have to face a number of the problems. Just like common people have to spend their all monies or huge amount of money earning by hard work of them, and they have to suffer and they have to regret very much, and on account not they have to regret themselves, but also their family, all family, their all family regret or have to suffer these types of the problem, or have to lose their bank balance. So while keeping control these types of the habits, body, daily routines, diet, and controlling these types of the thinkings, also they should be aware of their dieting system and food supplements, and these types of the elements and substances are necessary for keeping this body healthy, keeping this body and mind healthy, and as well as people are not healthy, they cannot become wealthy, because their efficiency decreases first of all, and involuntarily on account of decreasing their efficiency, they also lose their hard working and huge amount of money, and they have to suffer and much on. They have to suffer too much, and they have to regret, and it is very, and sometimes it becomes very very bad condition, and very, and show for them. So therefore, it is the conclusion that everybody should be aware. They must be educated, well trained, and every types of the knowledge, even the knowledge of the science and different types of the physics, science knowledge, physics, and different types of the pollution, environment, ecosystem, and internal, external, biological knowledge and functioning of the brain tissues, and so on. And they must have the knowledge and awareness about the requirements of these types of the vitamins, minerals, salt, and oxygens, and different types of the functionings of the body. Then they should also take these types of the food supplement. There are number of good food supplements to the market or from to the marketing to the network marketing company, and according to the convenience, everybody must take these types of the food supplement along with the good diet system like green vegetables and good and pure water, and exercise, good exercise. And with this they also take they have to understand what types of the deficiency inside of the body of him, and what types of the deficiency inside of the cell, inside of the bone, in blood circulation, or in what is the daily routine activities, how they survive, how they lead their daily life, and according to the requirement of the daily life routine of him, according to the demand requirement of the daily work of him, they should take these types of the diet or also food supplement, and they can keep themselves healthy, and also they can escape and they can stop for spoiling and misusing and going these types of huge amount of money, precious money, and by earned by their hard working. So please be safe, be aware about your health, about the environment, about the functioning of the body system, about the food supplements, and have good vegetables, green vegetables, and control your body, and being for falling into a disease and ill and going to ICU and coma and badly and affected, so that you can't lose your in lakhs and lakhs and sometimes crores of rupees to the doctor unnecessarily, because nowadays most of the doctors are fully professionalized. They charge highly amount of the money, even 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs, not talking, they are in thousands sometimes, and there is no mercy from the side of the doctors, and they just absorb everything from side you, exploit everything from your side. So first of all, before following this criteria demarcation, just protect yourself and be aware about your health, wealth, and your body. So must take education, good education, and education of science, education of English, and education of mathematics, and everything pollution, so that you can, after compiling these types of the information, you can conclude and what you have to need and what you have to observe, what you have to live, so you can keep yourself balanced and fit, physically fit. Thank you. Actually, I am not going to speak much, only my purpose is to be aware, be educated, and give education to your children everywhere, spread education, so that the society can, you and society can escape and be safe from these types of deadly and dangerous disease. Sometimes they have to lose their life. Thank you very much. Till here, that's all. I am Ashok Kumar Sharma, the chairman of People Welfare Foundation and the director of AK Study Center. Thank you very much for being with us. Must subscribe our YouTube channel, AK Study Center. Good night.